Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to secure your financial future, registering for a Fidelity retirement account is a smart step. In this video, we will guide you through the easy steps to set up your account. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Fidelity website. Open your web browser and go to the official Fidelity website. You can do this by typing in www.fidelity.com. Make sure you're on the right site for security reasons. Step 2. Select Open an account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Open an account option. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Choose the type of retirement account. Fidelity offers various types of retirement accounts, including traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and rollover IRAs. Take a moment to read through the options and select the account type that best suits your retirement goals. Step 4. Fill in your information. You'll be prompted to fill out a form with your personal information. This includes your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Set up your login credentials. Next, you need to create your user ID and password. Choose a strong, secure password to protect your account. You may also be asked to set up security questions for added protection. Step 6. Review your application. Once you've filled in all the required information, take a moment to review your application. Make sure everything is correct, as any errors could hinder the registration process. Step 7. Fund your account. After your application is submitted, you'll need to fund your account. You can transfer funds from an existing bank account or roll over funds from another retirement account. Follow the instructions provided on the website to complete this step. Step 8. Finalize your registration. Once your account is funded, you'll receive a confirmation email from Fidelity. Follow any additional instructions they provide to finalize your registration. Remember, it's important to keep track of your retirement plan and make adjustments as necessary. Fidelity offers various resources to help you manage your investments effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more financial tips and guidance.